Welcome back. If you're looking for beautiful kitchen inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 100 plus stunning kitchen design ideas featuring modern styles, smart storage, stylish cabinets, kitchen islands, lighting, backsplashes, and more. Whether you're remodeling, building a new home, or simply exploring the latest kitchen trends, you'll find plenty of ideas for every style and budget. Watch until the end to discover your favorite design. If you enjoy home design and remodeling ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now, let's explore 100 plus amazing kitchen design ideas. The kitchen is often called the heart of the home, and for good reason. It is much more than a place where meals are prepared. It is where families gather for breakfast, where conversations flow during dinner preparation, where children complete homework, and where guests naturally gravitate during social gatherings. In modern American homes, the kitchen has evolved into a multifunctional space that combines cooking, dining, entertaining, and everyday living. Today's kitchen designs focus on creating spaces that are beautiful, efficient, comfortable, and highly functional. Homeowners are investing in kitchens that not only meet their practical needs but also reflect their personal style and enhance the overall value of their homes. One of the biggest trends in American kitchen design is the use of warm neutral color palettes. Shades such as white, cream, beige, grayish, taupe, soft gray, and natural wood tones continue to dominate modern kitchens. These colors create a timeless look that feels bright, welcoming, and sophisticated while providing a versatile backdrop for a variety of design styles. Open concept kitchens remain one of the most popular features in modern homes. By seamlessly connecting the kitchen with the dining and living areas, homeowners enjoy improved functionality, better traffic flow, and enhanced opportunities for social interaction. Open layouts make homes feel larger and allow family members and guests to stay connected while meals are being prepared. Large kitchen islands have become the centerpiece of contemporary kitchen design. These multifunctional features provide additional workspace, seating, storage, and gathering areas. Whether used for meal preparation, casual dining, entertaining guests, or working from home, kitchen islands offer incredible versatility and convenience. Natural wood cabinetry is making a strong comeback across the United States. Warm oak, walnut, maple, and white oak finishes bring texture, character, and organic beauty into modern kitchens. Many homeowners are pairing wood cabinets with stone countertops and modern hardware to create a balanced blend of warmth and sophistication. Shaker-style cabinets continue to be one of the most popular cabinet choices due to their timeless appeal and versatility. Their clean lines work beautifully in traditional, transitional, farmhouse, and contemporary kitchens. Flat panel cabinets are also gaining popularity among homeowners who prefer sleek and minimalist aesthetics. Quartz countertops remain the preferred surface choice for many American kitchens. Known for their durability, low maintenance requirements, and elegant appearance, quartz surfaces are available in a wide variety of colors and patterns. Marble-inspired quartz designs are especially popular because they offer the luxurious appearance of natural stone with enhanced durability. Kitchen backsplashes have become important design features rather than simply functional wall coverings. Homeowners are embracing large-format tiles, full-height stone backsplashes, textured surfaces, handcrafted tiles, and bold patterns that add visual interest and personality to the kitchen. Smart kitchen technology continues to transform modern homes. Wi-Fi-enabled appliances, touchless faucets, smart refrigerators, voice-controlled lighting, and connected cooking devices provide greater convenience and efficiency. These innovations help simplify daily tasks while enhancing the overall cooking experience. Storage solutions play a crucial role in successful kitchen design. Pull-out pantry systems, deep drawers, corner organizers, appliance garages, hidden storage compartments, and custom cabinetry help maximize space and maintain organization. Well-designed storage ensures that every item has a designated place, reducing clutter and improving functionality. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of kitchen design. Successful kitchens incorporate multiple layers of lighting to support various activities throughout the day. Pendant lights above islands create beautiful focal points, while recessed lighting provides general illumination. Under-cabinet lighting improves visibility for food preparation and adds warmth to the overall atmosphere. Natural light remains highly desirable in kitchen design. Large windows, sliding glass doors, skylights, and open floor plans help create bright and inviting spaces. Designers often use reflective materials and light-colored finishes to maximize available daylight and enhance the sense of openness. Two-tone cabinetry has emerged as one of the most popular kitchen design trends. Homeowners often combine painted upper cabinets with natural wood lower cabinets or choose contrasting colors for islands and perimeter cabinetry. This approach adds visual interest while maintaining a balanced and sophisticated appearance. Walk-in pantries have become increasingly sought-after features in modern American homes. These dedicated storage spaces provide room for groceries, small appliances, cookware, and household essentials while keeping the main kitchen organized and clutter-free. Luxury kitchen designs continue to emphasize premium materials and exceptional craftsmanship. Natural stone countertops, custom cabinetry, designer lighting fixtures, high-end appliances, and elegant hardware create refined environments that feel both beautiful and functional. Minimalist kitchen design remains popular among homeowners who appreciate clean aesthetics and simplicity. Handleless cabinetry, concealed storage, integrated appliances, and clutter-free surfaces create sleek and organized spaces that promote a sense of calm and order. Farmhouse kitchens continue to be a favorite throughout America. Characterized by apron front sinks, rustic wood elements, open shelving, vintage-inspired fixtures, and comfortable gathering spaces, farmhouse kitchens create warm and welcoming environments perfect for family life. Scandinavian-inspired kitchens emphasize simplicity, functionality, and natural beauty. Light wood finishes, white surfaces, minimalist cabinetry, and clean lines create bright and airy interiors that feel both modern and timeless. Industrial-style kitchens remain popular in urban homes and lofts. Exposed brick walls, black metal accents, concrete surfaces, open shelving, and reclaimed wood elements combine to create spaces full of character and authenticity. Coastal-inspired kitchens bring a sense of relaxation and freshness through soft color palettes, natural materials, and abundant natural light. Shades of white, blue, sand, and driftwood create interiors that feel calm, airy, and effortlessly elegant. Sustainability has become an important consideration in kitchen design. Many homeowners are choosing eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, recycled surfaces, sustainable cabinetry, and environmentally responsible manufacturing practices to reduce their environmental impact. Texture plays a vital role in creating visually interesting kitchens. Designers often combine wood, stone, metal, glass, ceramic, and natural textiles to add depth, warmth, and character. Layering different materials helps create spaces that feel professionally designed and inviting. As you explore these 100+ stunning kitchen design ideas, notice how color palettes, cabinetry, lighting, materials, and layouts work together to create beautiful and highly functional environments. Every kitchen reflects a unique interpretation of style while supporting the needs of modern living. Whether your preferred style is modern, contemporary, farmhouse, Scandinavian, industrial, coastal, luxury, minimalist, or transitional, there are countless ways to create a kitchen that perfectly suits your lifestyle and personal taste. Let these inspiring kitchen designs spark your creativity and help you envision the kitchen of your dreams. With thoughtful planning and attention to detail, you can create a space that enhances everyday life while serving as a beautiful centerpiece of your home. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring tour of 100+ amazing kitchen design ideas for modern American homes. We hope these beautiful kitchens inspired your next renovation, remodeling project, or home improvement journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration, home decor ideas, kitchen trends, renovation tips, luxury home tours, and the latest American design trends. Leave a comment below and tell us which kitchen design was your favorite and what features you would love to include in your own dream kitchen. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.